Python offers built-in functionality for file handling, enabling operations such as reading, writing, and modifying file content. The process involves opening a file, performing the desired operations, and then closing it to ensure proper resource management. Files can be opened in different modes, such as read, write. Read, write allows both reading and writing. We will open a file in read mode. So, we write file is equal to open. The file name, example.txt, comma, and R. Open the file example.txt in reading mode. Then we will use the file read. Now, we will create the contents variable. So, to read the contents of the file and store it. Then we will use file read. It reads the entire contents of the file and stores it in the variable. Then, we close the file with the file point close. This is important to free up resources. We execute, and the file is open with its contents. Now, we will move into write mode. So, the file point open, example.txt. And this time, we're going to put W. Please note that this mode overwrites existing content. File. Write strings to the file. /n creates a new line. And we always close with close. So, our hello world text will overwrite the already existing content. Now, we will use /n to create a new line. We add a line. This is a line. We execute and open the file. Both lines are added correctly. Now, we will work with binary files. So, we will use RB and WB mode. These are modes for reading and writing binary files like images. So, we use the open syntax, which automatically closes the file at the end of the block. Image with JPG extension between commas RB writing mode. We use binary, which receives binary data is equal to file read. Now, we will move on to writing mode. Always use with open. We will open our photo. But this time, we will use WB. and we will write the image as a copy. Tauju's file point write binary data. If we run while looking at the created file, the first file with 36 kilobytes, and so is the copy.